A sagging door can usually be fixed without taking it off the hinges. Start by inspecting gaps at the top and sides with the door closed to see where it rubs or leaves uneven space. Use a pump air wedge under the closed door to lift it slightly and hold it steady while you work. Then insert thin wooden shims behind the hinge leaf at the jamb to raise the hanging side incrementally. Drive the shims until the gap evens and trim any excess. If the hinges are loose, tighten the screws firmly, but avoid stripping by first backing them out a turn, and then driving them home with steady pressure. If screws spin in worn holes, replace them with longer screws that reach the framing for solid bite. For fine alignment, use a wrench on the hinge bolts or the hinge leaf while the door remains hung to nudge the sash laterally and vertically in small increments, testing closure after each adjustment. If the door sticks at the top but hardware is sound, a light in-place planing can help by holding the door open, marking the contact area with chalk, and using a portable plane or coarse sandpaper to remove only the high spots. Always remove less than you think and recheck frequently. Hinge adjustment plates can be fitted without unhinging the door to shift the hinge location slightly and are useful when jamb movement is the issue. Install plates under the hinge leaf and retest the fit. Throughout, work slowly, support the door while making changes, and use temporary shims to hold achieved alignment until permanent fasteners or plates are installed. 3 common mistakes are overdriving screws into stripped holes, which lets the door sag again, removing too much material when planing, which creates a permanent misfit, and rushing hinge adjustments, which can make the door bind unpredictably. Fix stripped holes by replacing short screws with longer screws that reach the structural framing for a secure hold. If too much wood was removed, correct fit by adding thin shim material or a thin veneer to the corresponding frame area and recut the strike as needed so the latch aligns. When hinge tweaks cause new binding, loosen all hinge screws slightly, realign the door visually while supporting its weight, then incrementally retighten and test after each turn until smooth operation returns. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and posts project examples and pricing guidance so we can help you scope a door repair or decide when a pro is warranted. We also host a discussion community where we answer questions, share step-by-step tips, and let contractors find work through homeowner leads.